Roaming Rome, your guide to the best free walking tours. When it comes to exploring a new city, nothing beats a free walking tour. And when that city happens to be the ancient and historic Rome, you know you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll guide you through the best free walking tours in Rome so you can make the most of your trip to the Eternal City. Why choose a free walking tour in Rome? Well, for starters, it's a fantastic way to explore the city at your own pace and on your own terms. One of the biggest advantages of a free walking tour is that it won't break the bank. Plus, since the tours are led by locals, you'll get an authentic and insider's perspective on the city's history, culture, and hidden gems. Another reason to choose a free walking tour is the flexibility it offers. Lastly, a free walking tour is a great way to meet fellow travelers and make new friends. So, why choose a free walking tour in Rome? It's affordable, flexible, and provides a unique and authentic experience of the Eternal City. What can you expect from a Rome walking tour? In addition to the major attractions, a Rome walking tour will also introduce you to the hidden gems and secret corners of the city that are off the beaten path. Highlights of a free walking tour in Rome. During a free walking tour in Rome, you can expect to be mesmerized by the incredible highlights the city has to offer. From ancient ruins to awe-inspiring architecture, here are some of the must-see highlights that you can experience on a free walking tour in Rome. First and foremost, no visit to Rome would be complete without a visit to the iconic Colosseum. Next, you'll venture into the Roman Forum, a sprawling archaeological site that was once the center of Roman public life. As you continue your walking tour, you'll come across the stunning Pantheon, a remarkable ancient temple-turned-church. Another highlight of the tour is the picturesque Trevi Fountain. Last but not least, your walking tour will lead you to the Spanish Steps, one of Rome's most famous landmarks. Tips for getting the most out of your free tour. So you've decided to embark on a free walking tour in Rome, but how can you ensure that you make the most of this unique and immersive experience? First and foremost, do your research beforehand. Take the time to learn about the landmarks and attractions that will be covered on the tour. Secondly, dress comfortably and wear appropriate footwear. Rome is a city meant to be explored on foot, and you'll be doing a lot of walking during your tour. Next, arrive early to the meeting point. During the tour, be engaged and ask questions. Lastly, be respectful of your surroundings and fellow tour participants. Recommended free walking tours in Rome. If you're looking for the best free walking tours in Rome, you're in luck. The Eternal City offers a plethora of options that will take you on a journey through its rich history, iconic landmarks, and hidden gems. First up is the Heart of Rome tour, which covers the city's most famous attractions, including the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Trevi Fountain. If you're looking for a more off-the-beaten-path experience, the Trastevere tour is perfect for you. For art enthusiasts, the Renaissance Rome tour is a must. This tour focuses on the artistic treasures of Rome, taking you to famous landmarks such as the Pantheon, Piazza Navona, and the Spanish Steps. How to find and book a free walking tour. Are you ready to explore Rome on a free walking tour? First, do some research online. Read through the descriptions of the tours to find one that matches your interests and preferences. Once you've found a few tours that you're interested in, check the availability and schedule. It's important to arrive at the meeting point on time to ensure you don't miss out on any part of the tour. Wear comfortable shoes, dress in layers, and bring a bottle of water to stay hydrated. Experience Rome like never before. As you lace up your walking shoes and immerse yourself in the rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture of Rome, you'll discover a side of the city that is often overlooked by tourists. You'll uncover hidden gems, explore off-the-beaten-path neighborhoods, and witness the daily life of locals as you stroll through bustling markets and charming piazzas. But it's not just the sights that make a free walking tour in Rome unforgettable. It's the stories and insights shared by passionate local guides that truly bring the city to life. Step off the beaten path, embrace the adventure, and get ready to create lasting memories in the enchanting city of Rome.